Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds AirPods Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, because firstly we need to turn off them and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone, and after that you need to open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and your earbuds reconnect to your phone automatically. As you can see, we have connection. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that this device don't want to reconnect to your phone automatically. So try to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list tap at your earbuds. And with this method you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.